Ready to upgrade your phone without stressing about your crypto? Let's seamlessly transfer your Safepal wallet to your new device right now. First things first, on your old phone, open your Safepal app. Navigate to the Me tab, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Within the Me tab, tap on Wallet Management. This section allows you to manage your existing wallets and set up new ones. Here, you'll see your current wallet listed. Tap on the wallet you wish to transfer now. Look for the export or backup phrase option. This is crucial, so tap on it carefully. You'll likely be prompted to enter your PIN or biometric authentication for security. Once verified, Safepal will display your mnemonic recovery phrase, a series of 12 or 18 words. This is your master key, so store it offline and in a secure place, never digitally. Now, grab your new phone, download, and install the latest version of the Safepal app from your device's official app store. Open the Safepal app on your new phone. Instead of creating a new wallet, select the option to import existing wallet. You'll again be asked to enter your PIN or use biometrics. If prompted, then you'll arrive at the recovery phrase input screen. Carefully and accurately enter each word of your recovery phrase in the correct order. Once all words are entered, give your imported wallet a name and set a new security password or enable biometrics for your new device. This process confirms the wallet is now active on your new phone. Congratulations, your Safepal wallet is successfully transferred. All your assets are now accessible on your new phone, ready for you to manage.